Hello and welcome. I am Ali Sulaiman-CS50cy from Oman. So my GitHub account is BIXCL. My edX account is IPXL. And today is 20th February 2024. As we know, T-Mobile suffers a lot of data breaches in the last few years. And in these slides, I will explain the last breach the company had. But because T-Mobile does not explain why the breach happened, I will explain the expectations of specialists. First, we will start with the story of the breach and how the breach happened. In August 2023, T-Mobile announced to the world that their data have been breached and data of 37 million customers have been spread to the world. This breach happened after attacker exploit vulnerability in the company API that allow unauthorized access to data of 37 million accounts. These data include names, social security numbers, driver's license information, phone numbers, account PIN, account creation date, billing address, device information like IMEI numbers, and the model of the device. So someone will ask a questions. What was the impact of this breach on the company and on the customer? The breach includes sensitive information that if go in the wrong hand, it could cause identity theft, financial fraud, and phishing attack. In March 2023, attacker exploit T-Mobile API and gain access to customer data. March 13, 2023, T-Mobile detect the breach and start their countermeasure to stop it and secure API. August 8, 2023, T-Mobile announced the breach to the public, and in August 2023 again, T-Mobile start noticing the affected customer about the breach and offering them free credit monitoring services. So the breach in a technical aspect, exact technical detail wasn't publicly disclosed by T-Mobile, but experts speculate that the API vulnerability was used in this attack was OAuth misconfiguration. So I will explain this vulnerability. So OAuth misconfiguration is a web application authentication framework. But how the breach happened to this framework? The way that attacker can use this framework in his side through if the company wasn't validating the input well. So when user give untrusted input, then the web application will redirect user into untrusted URL that was included inside the untrusted input. This is according to OWASP. In this way, attacker can change the redirection website into malicious website. This could be used to design a URL that will passes the application access control check and redirect attacker to privileged functionality. Some reports say that the threat actor targeted on an inside actor, an employee with spear phishing attack, and make him open the malicious URL. So this is an example of the URL that attacker could use for his action. A countermeasure to avoid this. I will talk about that from a customer perspective and company perspective. For individual or customer, changing password frequently and enabling two-factor authentication is the best practice to avoid using the leaked information against us. Staying informed about data breach and to take steps to protect our data under these circumstances. Individuals should prioritize cybersecurity awareness and protective measures to safeguard their personal information. For company, what T-Mobile do after detecting the breach is to reset all account pins of all affected customers and offer 2 years of free credit monitoring and identity thief detection services, which will decrease the possibility of using this data in bad things or unethics use. Also, the company sent message for affected customer for checking if their data was unauthorized has unauthorized change. Companies should inform about the breach from first hour they detect it, not after 5 months and after the attacker finish from using customer data. How the topic I talk about is related to the course lecture. I choose this topic because it's related to 4 topics of CS50 Intro to Cybersecurity course. These topics are securing data, securing system, securing software, preserving privacy. The topic I choose is related to all course topics, but because the limit time, I will talk about the most two in short. Securing data. This topic related to securing data because the data is the thing that always compromised in most breaches and attackers and attacks. So in this project, I mention ways to secure data and avoid leaking data. Securing system. This topic related to securing system because the system is the one who being breached in this case, and if the company was secure it well, then this breach will not exist. This was Ali, and this was CS50 Introduction to Cybersecurity.